Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we've got a really fun video for you guys today. Now, a couple weeks ago, we did a project where we showed you for the first time holographic microflakes, and the end result was pretty darn wild. So a bunch of requests flooded in for us to use holographic microflakes again, but instead of over a solid base color like black, you guys want to see it over a pearl color. And a bunch of people specifically requested for us to do it over a HyperShift. And you know how it is, if enough people ask for something, chances are I'm going to try it. So here's what I've got for you today. This is our base color, ZTG HyperShift. Awesome color, green and blue dominant. And I'm not sure if I've even actually shown you guys this HyperShift full scale before in a video. And as far as the holographic flake, sure, we could use silver again, but where's the fun in that when there are so many varieties? This is Lake Blue Holographic Flake. I can't wait to see what this looks like over the ZTG. So the Mustang has a black base on it now. HyperShift first, then holographic next. Enjoy the video. All right, we have finished the project. I will make this prediction. You guys are either going to think this is one of the most beautiful and complex finishes that we've ever shown you, or you're going to think it's one of the most gaudy and obnoxious finishes that I've ever shown you. There's a lot going on with this car, a lot of sparkle, a lot of color. I'll leave it up to you to decide whether or not you like how it came out. Now, if you want to dip your car, we've got tons of colors to choose from. Click up here, it'll bring you to our car kits. Any questions at all, contact us at DYC. We'll do what we can to get you answers to your questions. Let's go right outside and check it out. It's Fonzie. Thank you for watching, and thank you so much for taking the time to subscribe. We're getting closer and closer to 1 million every day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Asking for us to do another video using holographic microflakes, but instead of over a black solid base, over a pearl, specifically a microshift. Microshift? What the f is a microshift? ZTG HyperShift. This is an awesome color. It's a huge. So we've already got a black base on the Mustang. HyperShift first. HyperShift. Very appropriate.